Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another Odoo 18 tutorial by Cybrosys. Today let's talk about the revenues report which you can find inside the events module of Odoo 18. Basically, the Odoo events let you create custom reports on event data focusing on either attendees or revenues. This guide covers revenue reporting. So for accessing the revenue report, you have to go to the events module. So this is the events. Now here in the events, you have the reporting section. And under the reporting section, you can find the revenues. So this is the revenues report. By default, you have a view, which is a line chart showing revenue data filtered for non-free tickets and the current year. You can switch to a pivot table using the icon in the top right corner. So this is the pivot table. And you have a thing called measures. Okay, so here you have measures. You can customize our reports using revenues, untaxed revenues, count, and all such things. So here you can see all the three are ticked and all the three can be seen over here in the pivot table. Okay, so you can basically, if you want to see all the measures together, you have to switch to pivot table. Only then you can view all these things. If you go to the, here you have the untaxed revenue, you have the count. You can simply change it to bar chart or even the pie chart. Okay, so that's the measures that you can find there. Next, you have the option for filtering and grouping. So you can click the down arrow in the search bar. Okay, and from here you can access the drop down menus to filters, group by, and favorites. So you have filters here, group by here, and favorites here to create custom reports based on various event criteria. And time related filters offer a comparison column. So you have a time related filter over here. You can see the past events, the event start date, the end date. Now, based on this, you can actually, filter the data. Okay. And you can also select multiple options within filters and a group by. So currently we have only non-free tickets and event start date. So if you want to see the sold ones, you can add that too. So the data will be corresponding to the filters that we've added. Okay, so this filter options actually include things like the non-free tickets, the free tickets, the pending payment, sold ones, registration date, the upcoming or running or even the past events, the event start date, end date, published events, and also the option to add custom filters. Here in the group by, you have things like the event type. Okay, then you have the event, the product, the ticket, the registration status, the sale order status, customer, and also the option to add custom group. So if you want to choose this based on product, so I'm grouping it based on product. So you can see event registration, which is the ticket, which is standard. This is the VIP ticket. So based on that, this will be grouped. Okay, so for example, if you say if you want an event ticket analysis, like if you want to show sold or free tickets for published events, grouped by event and then ticket type. Okay, you can do that in the graph table. And for pivot, if you want to display revenue generated by different event types, that is also possible over there. So here you can choose multiple filters, group by, and also the option to add filters, favorites. So here you can view it on ascending and descending order. So this is the start view, this is the pie chart, this is the line chart, and this is the cumulative view of the line chart, and this is the bar chart. Okay, so based on whatever you want to see, that thing is possible over here. Even you have the option to insert this into a spreadsheet. Okay, so this is how simply you can access the revenues report of events module in Odoo 18. I hope all those tiny features are clear for you all. So that was a short video on the reports. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.